But sometimes I'm not washing my face these days. I don't brush my hair for a few days. So I just want to remind those of you watching that this is not how I look every day. Sometimes I go a week without touching makeup or, you know, just putting on deodorant.
I love this song. I love this song.
Stick together. What do you do when the bolts and the wood parts turn into no good parts?
You
stick together.
Stays may sag and groove and drag and rivets wear and tear some,
but we can still repair some.
When a woman says what? It's not 'cause she didn't hear you. She's giving you a chance to change what the fuck you just said.
What's something that you're supposed to like, but that you actually find slightly annoying?
Shake some ass! Spin butts chicken.
I hate when people say, well, if your friends jumped off a bridge, would you do it too? Like, obviously not, no. Because I jumped first. I'm a leader, not a follower.
It's the only thing you want to do all day. Make your mind up. Uh-oh! I'm gonna whoop your ass.
I mean this from the bottom of my heart. If it's textable, please don't call me.
Okay, listen, if I pause my anime, if I pause my K-drama, if I stop reading my webtoon just to text you back, you're fucking special to me, and I love you.
Are you trying to romance me? Yeah. It's working.
My own mother thought I was a monster. She was right, of course, but it still hurt.
Long time since I went out. So can you help me pick an outfit? Okay, so there's these. Is it too much? What about these? Is this too much? This kind of feels like a lot. Is it too much? Now I know this is a little risky. But is it? Yeah, this is too much.
Why are you out in the cold all by yourself?
I'm waiting for my boyfriend. He wants to break up. But I don't really want to. I don't think it's meant to be. Oh, look, there he is! Oh, that's not him.